What's up, guys? It's Chris with Longevity, brought to you by D&C Properties, and today we got some cool tool testing. Just want to do a couple simple tests today. Just sitting in my room. Got a really big day tomorrow. And I thought, why the hell not? Why don't we do a little tool testing, right? Why not, guys? Why not? Let's see here. There we go. There we go. That's more like it. I wanted to try we've got a couple lags here. Let me see something here. I wanted to see if this old DC234 can handle this. I don't know if you're interested, but I am. This is a brushed Ryobi P234C Charlie. Okay, and let's see, which fastener do I need for this? I think it's this one here. Oh, nope, just a tad too small. So it's probably gonna be the next size up. Which I think is this bad boy. Oh, yep. Let's see if this thing can sink this. Ready? Anyways, guys, before we get started, I've been doing some serious thinking lately, and I just want to drill some screws. I just want to, compare a couple old tools that I got, a couple brush models for you Ryobi lovers out there, like me, and let's see what this thing can do. Here we go. No problem. Smoking hot. Let's try that again. Alright, guys, so I'm going to be real with you. It sinks at no problem. Not an issue there. So, let's try a larger fastener here. This is a flathead fastener. So, I'm going to take this. Oh no, that's not. That's not. Here we go. This is impact. Oh no, it's a Phillips. Hold tight, guys. Let me go into my my kit here, and let me grab a flathead fastener. All right, here we go. That should do the job. So far, I think this old bad boy, I think it's gonna do it. Fucking tearing the screw up. Alright, let's just be real. It's got the power to do it, guys. So that's pretty impressive. I don't recommend ever doing flatheads with this. It's just a nightmare. I just thought it would be fun to just to screw this big boy in. So that was pretty cool. Let's do something here. I want to do something. Let me take this, all right, for the lag bolt. I'm only going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a small pilot hole for it, okay, just for it to sit in. And then I want the tool to do the rest, okay? Obviously, guys, we know that. Let's try. Okay, so obviously this bolt is not a true lag bolt, guys. You can tell. I just want it. That kind of bolt has to have a pilot hole to drill it in order for it to catch. It's just not possible. It's not that type of screw. So shame on me for trying something that is not possible. Okay, okay. But on that note, folks, I've got just a couple, you know, just to keep it simple. Let's do some drywall screws here. So what I'm going to take this off. Okay. Now we're just going to give this bad boy a small test. Ready? So if you guys are looking what this attachment is, this is the new DeWalt DWA2PH2IR2S Extended Flex Torque Zone Impact Ready Flex Torque Magnetic Extender bit holder. Okay, I've got a couple different mods attachments for DeWalt, and this one so far seems to be pretty good. I like it. It works. It's not bad at all. So this thing, obviously you can tell, guys, that no problemo. Zero issues on the drywall screws. Let's try a couple. Let's try a couple tap cons. I don't think I really ever tested this to see if it will. If this will handle the tap cons. Pretty sure it will. I have no doubt in my mind that this thing can handle these fasteners. So let's get this bag in here. Okay. And for you Ryobi guys that like me, I'm just using an old brush model for shits and giggles. Listen, if you guys are looking for a good, this is probably the best Ryobi impact set that I found. Okay, this is their new Torus Ion Zone with magnetic built-in compatibility. It's got pretty good technology, guys. I put these things through some serious ass tests, and this is probably the best kit I bought from Ryobi. I also have another impact. This is their black oxide magnetic holders. This one's pretty good too, guys. Obviously, you know these hold up really well. They're just known for breaking, or pretty easily. But this is another good kit I found. But these are the only two. All the other ones I've bought from Ryobi I've taken back because I just had really bad luck with them. And that's a problem for me, guys, especially in my line of work. I just can't I can't have that, you know what I mean? I really can't with my business. It's not a good mix. It just doesn't work for me. I need things that are gonna hold up and work. I've got tons of DeWalt's, I've got Makitas, I've got every damn thing known to man, I promise you guys. But let's get back into this tool testing here. I don't want to keep you guys up all night, but let's see if this thing can do some tap cons, yeah? Let's see what this bad boy's got. I'm not going to go all the way through, guys, because I know it's going to touch my wood, but no problem. Not an issue whatsoever. So this thing still gets the job done, guys. For an old brush model I've had 4 years. This thing still packs a punch, man, and it's actually kind of funny to me. I was actually just using this the other day. I was drilling holes in the wall, man, with this thing, and this damn thing still gets the job done, man. It just blows my freaking mind what this thing is capable of doing still, guys. It's amazing, man. A lot of people, they say so many negative things about Ryobi, and they just don't understand that, guys. These tools, they get the job done, okay? At the end of the day, these tools get the job done, and That's what matters at the end of the, honestly. That's what really matters, you know. You know, can the damn thing get the job done? Let's see. Let's try a couple 3-inch wood screw fasteners. Let's see here. Like butter, guys, no problem. So, you know, for shits and giggles, let's take this and let's put it up against the Makita. Let's see what happens. Oh, hold on, guys. Got a little here. Okay. This is gonna be all tool. You ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, time out. I'll tell you what, the Makita, definitely, I don't even have to try. It's just night and day difference, but I'm pretty sure you guys saw that. That was pretty impressive. You know, the Makita also has this really, really slow mode. Which is cool because when you're going into more fragile material, high-priced material, guys. The Makita, what it does is that allows you to really be delicate when you're going into delicate surfaces as well. This is the one cool mod I like about it. It like speeds up really quick. Check this out. You saw that? Starts off slow and then it speeds up. Starts off slow and then it speeds up. Let's check that out again. Ready? So it's a high torque output setting. So you saw that bit, and then I have this one too. which they're almost identical. I kind of like this one better. This one's for your longer hex bits, your 2-inch fasteners. This one's more of it's got a holder, and then it's got your small, I think 1/4-inch fasteners or third, they're just smaller. So, besides that, guys, the Makita's got really cool technology. I love it a lot. But I just wanted to do a quick video, guys, of Old Yeller. You know, it might not have the torque. It's got torque. Let's not get that twisted. It may not have the speed of the Makitas and all the newer models, guys. It is a little warm, but just note that, hey, if I go out and I spend a little bit of money on something like this, that it's gonna get the job done, guys. And that's really what it's all about, you know, is it gonna get the job done? And I know for a fact that at the end of the day, guys, it's gonna get the job done, you know? And this is its older brother. And this is a brush model too, guys. Don't get it twisted, man. This thing will get the job done too. Let me just reassure you. Let me reassure you on that. Okay? It's faster than its older brother. This is a brush model, guys. This is the P236A. Okay, so don't be... It's still quick. This thing is still fast. Okay? It's still fast. It's still gonna get the job done. It's a great tool, guys, so don't be afraid to say, oh, it's older, it's brushed, it's Ryobi, this and that. Bull! These two tools here, guys, have made me a lot of money. They get the job done, they work, they're great. Okay? I still have Ryobi's new brushless model as well, the 3-speed brushless. This thing's a freaking beast too, man. This thing's a champ, guys. You know, so it would be this one, it would be the older model, this one, and then its youngest and newest hip-hop brother, the P238, okay? And damn it, guys, this thing really is a force to be reckoned with. You want to talk about speed, competing with the big dogs? That thing right here has got some serious impacts per minute. This I promise you, okay? So do not ever count Ryobi out, because guys, they are making a name for themselves. They are here to stay. They are competing every day to make the best tools, because they believe that they can make their mark in the contractor grade tools, guys. I'm a professional. I use my tools every day. Don't get it twisted, guys. I've got DeWalt's. I've got Makitas. I've got them all, man. So I'm not biased to Ryobi just because I have Ryobi tools. No, I just want people to know that, damn it, man, their tools are great. They work. They compete with the big dogs, especially their new brushless line. They're fantastic. So don't be afraid to go out and spend some money on Ryobi tools. I reassure you they are worth the money. I've had this one for a long time. It still works. I showed you in the test. I've had this one for quite some time. It still works. These two are brush models. This is the brushless model. Yes, this one is going to smoke these two because it's just a higher rated impact per minute. It's got more RPMs. It's got a brushless motor in it. It's especially when you put their new HP batteries on it for high output, Second to none, guys. Okay? But let's be honest. Can everybody go out and afford brand new DeWalt tools or Makita tools? No, not everybody has the extra money to do that. But you know what? I can go to Home Depot and pick up a 6-tool combo kit from Ryobi for $250, and it's going to get somebody started with a business. It's going to get the job done. It's going to make them a lot of money to be able to buy into the more expensive brands. Okay? So as myself, I started with Ryobi tools, and I'm a lifetime customer. I've said this numerous times in my videos, guys. I just want you guys to know, man, don't be afraid to go out and purchase these tools, because you hear on YouTube and social media corrupts the companies, and they say, oh, it's a DIY, do-it-yourself only tool brand, and you know, this and that. I beg to differ. I beg to differ, and I'm living proof, guys. So tomorrow I'm going to be in the field. I got a couple big jobs to do tomorrow. I'm going to bring some of these Ryobi tools, guys, and I'm going to prove to you that they can get the job done. I'm going to prove to you they can handle the big work. I'm going to prove to you they're nice. I'm going to prove to you that they are here to stay. And I believe Ryobi's making a great name for themselves. So I'm a Ryobi customer for life. I will always purchase Ryobi tools. I believe in their product. I believe in what they do. I know they're great. I know they're going to last. I know they can take a beating. This is living proof right here, guys. This thing is taking the biggest beating of it all. It's a little bit clean because I cleaned it up. You know, I take care of my stuff. Yeah, it's got no stickers on it. They fell off. It's got some normal wear and tear. But guys, for a 4-year-old tool, let's be honest, this thing's in great shape, right? It's clean. It's nice. It's still nice. It still works. So again, guys, listen, I got just wanted to do a small quick video. Just want to show you guys a couple of things. I was just bored. I wanted to shoot something real quick and throw it up on the internet, up on YouTube. But stay tuned for TTT Tool Test Tuesday coming up in a couple days. Tomorrow's Saturday. I got some big projects. I'll be in Home Depot tomorrow morning shooting a new live video too as well. We'll see what kind of deals we got going on at Home Depot for the weekend sales. I didn't get to do one today, guys. I had a couple doctor's appointments, so I didn't get a chance to really get in there and shoot some really cool videos. So let's see what they got tomorrow. Let's see what kind of great deals they got. Again, don't be afraid to buy Ryobi. I stand by their product 100%. They seem to wow me every time I purchase their tools. Any new tools I buy from them, guys, I'm always impressed. So thanks again, Ryobi, for putting a great product out. And I'm a professional. I use them. People hate Ryobi. I don't. I love them. Their tools are great. So this is Chris with Longevity, brought to you by DNC Properties. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I'm checking out. We'll see you for TTT Tool Test Tuesday. Again, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I will give a free t-shirts out for the first 100 subscribers to my channel once I get to hit that mark. Hit the like button, comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what tools you want to see. Let me know. I'm here. I'm doing this, guys, every day. I'm putting in the work, man. This is what I love. This is my passion, man. I love tools. I love what I do. And I'll see you guys for TTT Tuesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow at Home Depot as well. We'll check out some great, awesome deals. And other than that, everybody have a nice, wonderful, and blessed night. Thank you.